Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to do 5.1D, the last part of the puzzle cube project. We just did the assembly, the animation. Okay, here's the Schoology. All right, so we just did the assembly, part one. We just did the animation, part two. Here's the two videos here. And then now I'm going to do the exploded view drawing, the last part for our puzzle cube project. Okay, so let's get started. Open up your Fusion. So here's the assembly we just did for the second part, the exploded view. And then on here, I have my 3 screenshots, my photos of what we did, right? So this is the assembled cube that I have. And then here's a screenshot of the animation. And then right here is the a screenshot of the exploded view of what we're going to do. And in the end, this is what I'm going to want to see, a screenshot of your exploded view drawing. Right here are balloon diagrams. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and then the parts view list. Okay, simple enough. All right, here we go. So now from the animation we just did, you're going to go here, okay, drop down, and then drop down to drawing from design. Okay, you can do this, or you can go back up. Right, if I click back up right here, these are the different workspace options we have. Right, if I click on design, there is my original cube. Right, just like we did here. Here's a screenshot here, right, to confuse that. So these are my references, because I have my view cube. I'm here at home, and my view cube, my puzzle cube is at school right now while I'm doing this video, right? So I'm using these photos as a reference. So here is the design file itself. If I drop down and go to animation, here's the animation, right, under the drop down. So there's a couple ways we can do the drawing, right? I can either do it from the design file here, or we can do it straight from the animation, right? I can go drawing from design, or drawing. Actually, we're going to do drawing from animation. Okay. So from the design tab, I can go drawing from animation, right? Or if I click on the animation tab, right, I go drawing. I can always go, I'm going to choose drawing from animation, right? So we're going to do a drawing based on the animation, the exploded view drawing. Okay. So again, from the animation tab, I'm going to drop down drawing from the animation. Okay. And then here's the create drawing window. I'm going to choose my A size title block. Okay. You can choose the one from scratch. The default one is fine. Hit OK. All right. So let that process, and the drawing sheet will show up. All right. So there are my exploded. This is our exploded view, our parts plus the cube. So I'm going to left click and place it there real quick. I'm going to change the scale. Let me see if it'll fit. I want it to fit nice and big, but I also want to make room for the parts list and the balloon diagram. I think I'm going to go 2:1. Nope, that's a little too big. It was 1:2, 1:4. It's definitely too small. 1:2. Let's do, I want to do something in between. 1:1. Okay, I'm going to leave it. Let's see. Do I want to do 1:1? Okay, we'll do 1:1. Okay, I have 1:1. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that go to the style. I'm gonna shade it with hidden edges, right? I want to keep the color on there. There you go. Yep, that'll work. So I'm gonna left click or drag it here, or you can put it down here. Either way. Okay, you can put the parts list up here, or you can put it down here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this here like that. All right, so now I'm gonna do the balloon diagrams. I'm gonna kind of put it like low in the center left, like that. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay, so now I'm going to go do my balloon diagrams. I'm going to click table, and then I'm going to click balloons. Then I'm just going to start clicking in each one, right? Make some room, right? You don't want to crowd your drawing sheet here. Left click again. Left click here. And kind of go like that. That's 2. Left click here. Go like that. It's 5. I guess it's going to number it for you. So you just click. Go out. That's 3. Click. This one's going to be 4, and left click, and this one's going to be 5, right? See, they're kind of spaced out. Okay, so here are my balloon diagrams, right? Pretty straightforward enough. So now the last thing we're going to do is insert the table, the parts list. So I'm going to go to table, then I'm going to click on the parts list, and then I'm going to kind of snap it right here on the bottom right corner, right? See that? Okay, I know it's in the way here, but I'm going to double click on it. Okay, double click. There you go, double click. Okay, see what I did? Double click anywhere on the line here, and so that way you have this parts list. And then I'm just going to go ahead and uncheck materials. We don't need that. And uncheck the description. That way I just have showing the item, what the item is, right? What item number it is, how many there are, and what the part number's name is, right? Right here. Okay. So there is our exploded multi-view drawing. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and save, right? So I'm going to put it this one. I'm going to leave the name, but you can probably name it like exploded view, right? Assembly drawing. I'll be able to see everything on here, right? So mine is just named assembly demo drawing. Hit save, right? And then go ahead and screenshot that. So see, it's going to save right up here. So now for 5.1.D, this is part 3. I have the assembly, one assembly design. I have the AVI, the file, and then I also have the drawing. Okay. So that is it for your puzzle cube project.